Compost is a mixture of ingredients used to fertilize and improve the soil's quality. It is commonly prepared by decomposing plants and food waste and recycling other organic materials. The resulting mixture is rich in plant nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. A compost pile should be made up in layers. The first layer should be coarse plant materials such as branches and twigs. This allows oxygen to circle up through the pile. The second layer should be 6 to 10 inches of finer plant materials such as leaves, grass clippings, and other kitchen scraps. At Kailend Farm, we're using the leftover stems from our corn, sorghum, and millet harvests. We also put our leftover food scraps in our compost heaps, along with goat droppings and our pig droppings. If you don't have access to these items, some of the things you can put in your compost pile includes your leftover fruits and vegetable scraps, eggshells, coffee grounds, tea bags, shredded newspapers, and cardboard. Compost helps us to enrich the soil and retain large volumes of water. This helps to prevent erosion and runoff.